Hi you guys, welcome back to Marvelousness TV, and today we're going to be making the ultimate Oreo holiday reindeer cake balls. These are so quick and easy to make, and they're under $15 as always. It seems like that's the theme for my last couple of desserts. You guys don't want to miss this recipe, so go ahead and keep on watching and let me know what you guys think at the end of the video. If you guys would like a full-length written tutorial as well as a list of all the ingredients and instructions plus this video, go ahead to marvelousnesstv.com. Start off by breaking down your cookies into small pieces. Once you get that done, you're going to go ahead and toss them in the blender and go ahead and get them into a small cookie crumble. After that, go ahead and take your 8 ounces of cream cheese and go ahead and mix it into the bowl. It's going to take about 1 minute, and you're going to want to get it into a fine cookie crumble with the cream cheese. You're going to use that to form it into little cake balls. Once you get that done, you're going to go ahead and pop those into the freezer for about 10 to 15 minutes until they harden. The next step is to take your chocolate chips and melt them into a nice creamy texture. You can add milk. If not, you don't have to. It's just to make it a little bit more creamy, and I like milk chocolate. After that, you're going to go ahead and break your antlers in half. I'm using mini pretzels. These are super simple. It doesn't matter if they're not all the same. It's going to give the reindeer a unique look. The next step is to take your chocolate cake balls and dunk them into the chocolate mixture. Go ahead and place them back on the wax paper. Now, I like to just do one at a time with the decorations, because if you do too many balls at one time, they start to harden and then you can't add the additional decorations on, and it just completely crumbles the ball altogether. Wow, look how delicious these are. These turned out so fabulous. Like I said, these are super easy, super quick to do for the holidays, under $15. Now let's see what the kids think. How do you like it?
I like it very much.
How's the chocolate?
Very good.
Oh, yummy. This is perfect for all ages. Oh my gosh. How adorable. He's gonna eat that up. He's like, where are my teeth at?
Just a girl back outward, just like this.
If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. You can follow me on all my social media links down below. Go ahead to marvelousnesstv.com for a full-length written tutorial on how I did everything step by step. And this is the third part of my holiday dessert series. You can watch the rest of my videos in the top left corner, and I will see you guys in the next one.